everybody, welcome to my channel, Director of Visuals, and today I want to show you how to do that cool text reveal swipe thing I showed you earlier. It's super easy, it only takes a couple of minutes, and I use Final Cut Pro X to edit my videos. So let's get started. So once you open up Final Cut Pro X and you have your text and the clip you want to use, you want to go over here towards the effects panel and go towards masks and pick the draw mask, and you're gonna want to add that to the title or the text you're gonna edit. So once you do that, you see you'll have this little pen here selected. You're gonna want to do a little box shape around your text, and then you can resize it too. So once you create your mask and you draw your mask around the text you want to edit, you're gonna want to find a point in the video where whatever's gonna come across and swipe to reveal your text, in this case me, you're gonna want it at the very edge, so that way you'll know where you want to start your text and the swipe. And once you know where you want to start, you just go over here or this side and you move it, and you see how the words start to disappear, and if you swipe it again they appear again. So that's good, that's what we want. So we move it over here to where we know it's gonna start once he moves one frame. See, that's the frame we're gonna use to start moving our little box. And you want to do that with your arrow keys. Just use your left and right arrow keys. So once you know where you want to start and create your draw mask, you go over here, control points, and you add a keyframe. So it already knows you made a selection there. And after you add a keyframe, you move it one arrow and you start moving the box accordingly. And it will already add a keyframe automatically for you. So when you go back, it moves back and forth with you. So that's what keyframes do. So then you just keep moving forward and you keep moving the box, and it'll add a keyframe for you, and you keep doing that just by the edge of us revealing your text, and it'll keep adding keyframes. So it's pretty simple steps. Just move with the arrow and move the box, and once you added that first keyframe, the rest of them will pretty much come automatically. So once you go all the way and see that all of your keyframes have been created, see as you swipe through and moves automatically with you. It's perfect, that's just what you want. So let's give it a little playback. Boom! And there we have it. All you need is something that moves across the screen, and to go to your effects panel and draw mask over by your masks. And once you do that, you go frame by frame. You go where you want to start. You start moving it frame by frame with your arrow keys. And remember to just keyframe your first starting point, and the rest of them will move along with you. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. And if you want to know how to do this cool animation, I'll leave a link below on how you can draw your own text animation. That's another cool tutorial. And next week I'll definitely have another tutorial for you. Thank you.